Another big improvement that we made is on your activities that are part of your routines, like attend photo shoot. Well, if you've got a bunch of attend photo shoots, you don't necessarily know which one to attend, right? So now, whenever you go into an activity, you can come here, and maybe you attend photo shoot, and you want the address right there, right? Well, we've got a little button here where you can now pick, and maybe we want address. So we can say, what's the property street address? It puts it in as a merge field, so that whenever the activity gets created, it now fills in the merge field of that address for that property for the photo shoot. So you now have a 10 photo shoot, 4190 South 135th Road, 123 Main Street, whatever it is. So you've got multiples of these on your calendar, you know which location you need to go to. Pretty much all the merge fields are available. So it's just a matter of figuring out what you want to put in there.
No, it's a good one.